Hello everyone, I'm forecaster Chris Michaels here in the NCSU Weather Center. We're going to jump right into things this week with our headlines. Spring is here, or is it? We don't really know if spring's here because today is technically the first day of spring, but we're not really seeing spring-like conditions. So we'll get to that here in just a little bit. We also have the tournament forecast and a rainy weekend ahead, so not too many bright spots here in the immediate forecast. So we're going to go on to today, and there is a bright spot today with temperatures at 59, pretty comfortable, calm winds from the west and mostly clear skies. Now as we go on into the nighttime hours, you see there cloudy skies kind of acting as a blocker for the radiation that tries to escape. So temperatures are going to remain in the lower 50s at 8 p.m. As the skies clear up, temperatures in the mid-40s, and just in time for the early classes tomorrow, 34 degrees. So make sure you pack heavy and wear warm clothes because it's going to be quite the chilly one, and it's going to remain chilly for the rest of the day. You see their high of 52 with those winds from the northwest at 15 to 20 miles an hour. So make sure you hold on to your belongings as well because it's going to be breezy and it's going to be really cold here in the Raleigh area, but not as cold as Dayton, Ohio as the team takes on the Temple Owls. So if you really give a hoot about your weather, where your team is going, 39 degrees there at tip-off on Friday afternoon. Now, let's come back to our neck of the woods. Wednesday, temperatures in the upper 50s, partly cloudy skies, and mostly clear skies on Thursday. Again, temperatures only getting up to 52. It'll warm up just a little bit on Friday, partly cloudy with 56. A 30% chance for rain on Saturday with temperatures in the low 50s. Now it's going to be really cold there on Sunday, still staying really cloudy, and the 70% chance for rain. So let's look a little more in depth at what we could expect as far as rain. This is a product from the Hydrometeorological Prediction Center. Try saying that 10 times because I know I sure as heck cannot. And so we take a look at our rainfall potential here, about ½ an inch ranging from Georgia to South Carolina, and boom, there we are. There's North Carolina, about ½ an inch for most of the area, and out towards the coast, a little bit more, about 3/4 of an inch, possibly up to an inch. Now before I go, I've got to show you what I'm mic'd up about, what I'm really excited about here. So here it is. This is a picture I took last summer of these mammatus clouds. Now you're just thinking, that looks cool, but what's a mammatus cloud? They kind of droop. You can kind of see it's not very pronounced, but they droop from the sky, and they typically come after severe storms. And now when I was in Florida, saw some severe storms that came off the coast onto the land, and you kind of saw these just come rolling in. So right away I grabbed my camera, started taking pictures, and well, this was the result. Now tomorrow we'll have forecaster John Hader in the NCSU Weather Center with a cool cloud close-up, going a little more in depth as to what happens with these mammatus clouds. How do they form? When do you see them? And where do you see them? So there's a lot to look forward to there. For everyone here at NCSU Weather, I'm forecaster Chris Michaels. Have a great rest of your week.